Hey guys, my name is Zabala. So today I would like to tell you guys how to install Debian using VirtualBox. Okay, so this is the tutorial. The first step, you guys need to have the VirtualBox application. You can download it for free. And then after that, you can press on the new tab on here. So enter your name like me, Debian underscore Zabala. So for the folders, I choose myself because I created before. My folder is Zabala 17. Or you guys can make anything you want for the folders. It's just because I'm on homework, so I use my folder is Zabala 17. And then for the memory size, because my RAM computer is 8, you guys need to set to 2 gigabyte or 2048. And then you click next, and for the hard disk you need to create the disk, and your hard disk file type you choose VDI or virtual disk image, and then you click next. And for the storage on physical hard disk you choose dynamically allocated. After you choose dynamically allocated, you for the file location you choose 100 gigabyte. Below on the storage there's an optical drive, you choose Debian DVD ISO, and then you go to the settings and set your network, and for NAT you choose host only adapter. After that you choose allow all. Okay, now your Debian installation is complete, and now you can start it. And for the boot menu you choose install, and you guys need to wait. After this, for the language you choose English. After you choose English there's a country, so you on the other, and then go to Asia and set your country is Indonesia. And for the country based default local setting you choose United States, and then for the key map you use American English. You guys need to wait. And continue with the default router, you guys just press no, or you choose no and choose confirm. After this you need to put your IP address, but before you know IP address you must connect it to your Wi-Fi. And how to do it: the first, you go to the Wi-Fi, click right and open network. After that you go to the properties, and then you scroll until below, and then you can see your IP address with the DNS. So you back to the virtual box again, and then enter your IP 192, 168, 141 and 117. I choose 117 because it's for my student ID number. And after this you guys need to see your DNS too, so you guys know your DNS. You click to the continue. After this there's a net mask as setting as default, and for the gateway you put your DNS same as the Wi-Fi you connect, like mine is 196, and you put on the gateway. After this you guys don't need to change anything, and then you guys just have to wait your loading. Finally, now the loading is done. So for the hostname, you put your name, like mine is Zabala, and then you press continue. For the root password, just set as 123, continue, and re-enter your password is 123 again, and then you continue. For the full name, my name is Zabala. In the tab ready, you put that on your list Debian, you continue again, and for your username is continue, and then you put your password, continue, and then re-enter your password again. That okay, so you guys can see it's loading again, so you guys need to wait. Okay, so you guys can see now I need to set my city because I'm on Jakarta, so I use Western. And then for partitioning method, you guys need to choose manual. After that, you go to the SGI1 or VBox hard disk. And for the create new partition, you press yes. And then go to free space, create new. And for the primary, you set as 50 gigabyte. Then continue, you set as primary, beginning, and just don't change anything. Then you create new again, but this time is on swap area, so you create new again. Then you create new again, but this time is on swap area, so you set as 4 gigabyte, use logical beginning, and then for use as swap area, and then done settings, and now you can have the primary and the swap area. After that, you create new again, but this time don't change anything about partition, use as primary again, and then use as x3. After that, for the mount point, you use enter manually, and you type it data, you continue, and then you click done. After all of this, you can click done and write to change to this, yes, and you guys need to wait again. Okay, now there's a scan DVD, you press no. And for the network mirror, you press now again. Okay, so in the participate in package usage survey, you press no. After then, you you need to uncheck list all except the below one. So then you can continue and then wait again. Okay, it's almost done. So does as boot record? For the boot record, you say yes, and then you pick the below. You need to wait again, and then you just continue. And now you're entering to the Debian command, and you just Debian GNU Linux. Okay, now you're in Debian. So after that, you power off first. You need to change the network on the Debian. Go to the settings and go to the network. You set as bridge adapter. Okay, and then you press start again. Okay, now for the login, you use your full name, like mine, Jabala Mediata Priadi, and put your password, which is my password, and you enter the root model, which is command SO, and for the password is 123, and you can check your ping on, you can check your IPA for know you what's your IP. After that, you can check your ping Google if you're connected to Google or not. But before that, the first step you need to check your IP, because if it's worse, it will be like this. And then you can check your pinggoogle.com. It probably might take longer because we need to go to the Google. Alright, that's good. And go to chat to stop for the ping. Okay, so after you ping Google, now you need to install SSH, which the command is apt install SSH. So this command is yes or no, but before that you go to the optical drive, go to put your DVD one ISO, and then you can click yes, and now it's working to install SSH, and then done. You now can open your putty. You choose your connection type to SSH. For the IP address, you put 192, 168, and 141, and 117. After that, you go to the save station, you put like that again, and you save. Now you can open it. After this, there will be security alert. You can press accept, and now you're entering putty from Debian. And you can log in your full name on there and then put your password again. After that, you can enter root module, which is 123 again for the password. Now on the putty, you can check IPA. You can see your IP. After that, you can check your ping Google. Alright, is now done. Okay, thank you for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to like. Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.